Hey guys, it's Em here at the Illy Babe. Welcome to my latest try-on haul. The theme for today's video is spring cleaning because I will be going through my closet and I figured why not make a video about it. It is low-key like a lot of clothes to go through. I have 4 bags. 4 bags. I feel like that's a good amount for when you're like transitioning out of young adult clothing into like a more mature closet. A lot of the clothes that I'll be going through today are like early 20s and I'm like,
would I wear this when I'm 27?
And if the answer is no, you'll probably be seeing it today. So I can't wait to go through my closet with you guys. If you hadn't noticed, I'm currently wearing a gorgeous vintage blouse. I've actually never worn this before. I bought it maybe a month or so ago for like the springtime vibes, and I figured with the black undershirt, I just saw that. I figured with the black undershirt, it was the perfect way to complement this gorgeous blazer. But anyway, why don't we go ahead and get started with the haul, and I'll show you what I have to try on today. Alright, so it's weight day in the Illy Babe household. Who needs the gym when you can just practice with 40 pounds of clothing? Wish I had a scale so I could actually figure out how much clothing this is. Okay, I can't wait for my fitness phase and then you guys just watch me do workout videos. Can't wait. So anyway, this is a bag full of mostly bottoms actually, because a lot of the tops I was like, maybe one day this will fit, but most of the bottoms it's like a little bit harder to convince yourself that you're gonna fit into an extra small bottom at any other point in your life. So it's mostly bottoms in there. Let me show you one more bag. This one is overflowing. This bag is full of shoes and purses, although there was actually only one purse in there that I was willing to part ways with. Alright, so up next in my haul, aka the third bag I referred to, is this collection of dresses. We've got some gorgeous royal blues. This is like a beautiful shiny navy from college. Then this is a baby blue, this is a pink, and then more royal blues, and even a purple and a maroon over here. So some of these dresses still have their tags on them. Some of them were sent to me from brands. Some of these I've thrifted recently, but then I got home and I tried them on and I realized like the fit's like not really good enough for me to want to keep. So, and they're thrifted, so you can't really return them. So some of these are just like thrifted finds that like didn't really fit. Now technically those items could go into my alterations pile, which I will get to in a minute, and so basically that's going to be items that I'm like, I could turn this into something kind of cute. Maybe I want to keep this for that case. Things with tags and designer names are not necessarily going to fall into that pile. Things that I can actually sell for money, I can sell, but things that I'm like, this is cute. Like I want, maybe I could use that on a purse or something.
Those I will be keeping.
Alright, so I mentioned I have 3 bags and my other bag is another handful of dresses. Why don't I go ahead and get those out for you guys? So these guys are kind of crinkly, so excuse the audio for a second. Where did the cat go? Anyway, here are those dresses that still have their tags on them, which I will be trying on to see if I want to keep them or sell them. So these are special occasion dresses. Here's a gorgeous purple. This is giving like cousin's wedding. Here's a gorgeous green. This is giving like was just in season. This is a sparkly black. This is giving like funeral, but like classy funeral. And then this is also a black, but this is more so like elegant black. This is giving like awards dinner. I don't know what awards dinners I will be going to, but if I don't feel like finding another elegant black dress, I may end up keeping that one because who doesn't need an LBD? Wow, how beautiful is this dress? Am I right? Like, such a gorgeous color on me, such a beautiful fabric. I think I'm gonna have to keep this one, even though it's a little bit small. I can always have it altered in a few years to be a little bit, the neckline a little bit longer, and then just hope that I don't gain too much weight here. I don't know, I'm not ready to part with it yet. Ooh la la, what a beautiful dress. This midnight sparkle dress I wore to a sorority formal. Definitely shows my belly a bit, but I think it's still cute. I think I'm still gonna keep it because it is such an elegant vintage dress, and lengthwise it still fits me, which is really nice. So this dress is one of the formal dresses that I have that I will probably be selling. It still has the tag on it, so I'm not going to take it off now since I'm going to sell it, so it's still there right now. This is a Xoxoxo luxury dress. I got it when I partnered with the brand a couple years back, and I've never worn it because, I don't know, I guess I haven't been to enough award shows. I don't know. Now I'm like, I need to go to more formal events. I don't know. I've just never worn it. It's really cute though. I am half tempted to keep it. I do like the slit in the thigh, and I also like the length that it comes to on me. It comes to like a good length. So we'll see. It also fits pretty well, even if I was to gain a little bit more weight. And it covers my belly better than the other one. So actually maybe this will be going in the keep pile, but maybe I need to go to some award shows soon. We're leaving the funeral vibes and we're heading straight into the Easter lunch party vibes. This dress is from Berkshire. It's from Europe. I've had it for many years, which is why it's a little bit small on me now. I can't fully zip it up, and it's really short, and it doesn't even, I'd have to wear pants with this. I don't know. I'm probably gonna sell it though because it's really cute. It's in somewhat good condition. I really like the way that it looks on the screen. Up next in the spring cleaning haul is this gorgeous maroon lace. This is from Kendall and Kylie x Azazi. So it's from Azazi, but it's a collab with Kendall and Kylie Jenner. So I will probably be listing this just because of the names and everything, but it is quite cute. It's maybe a little bit too young for me. This slit is like wildly high. It's a bit more of a clubbing dress than I anticipated. I thought the vibe was gonna be like wedding, but I can't go to a wedding with like my entire leg showing, so it's a little bit more of like a club dress, and yeah, it just doesn't fit me that well. This is just, it's not the right dress for my body type, but it's cute and I will be listing it. Up next is this gorgeous purple dress from Xoxoxo. This gorgeous purple dress from Xoxoxo, this was also gifted to me by a brand. It's very much giving Easter vibes, Easter service. Maybe if I go out for Easter, this actually would be a good dress to wear. I'm not seeing any tags, so I must have maybe worn it out, or at least wore it in some sort of regard where I couldn't have any tags on it. And honestly, the more I look at it, the more I like this dress. Originally, I was gonna not throw it away. Originally, I was gonna put it in the sell pile, but I'm like, it's cute. All right, I have more colors coming up next. Another gorgeous long black formal dress, also from Xoxoxo, also in excellent condition. I'll probably list it since it's just in perfect condition, but also it's quite cute. It's a nice little LBD, so who knows? Maybe I'll decide to keep it. All right, up last for today, and then the rest I'm gonna have to put in part 2. But up last for this haul is this gorgeous green formal dress. Also from Xoxoxo, also gifted by a brand. This one doesn't have the tag on it though, so I must have already taken the tag off. I probably thought it was so cute. I do still think it's really cute, but it's a little bit small for me, so I'll probably list it anyway. But it's super cute. I'm obsessed with this neckline actually. I clearly have a thing for like one shoulder formal dresses. I guess I just really like that for some reason. Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning into my haul today. I hope you really enjoyed my spring cleaning haul. Tune in next time to see what decisions I made and what these final looks are gonna go ahead and look like. I hope you enjoyed your little peeks behind my closet to see how the process behind running and styling all these hauls kind of works. I will devote like entire afternoons just to going through the clothes in my apartment. It is very much a process. I don't just wake out of bed with 6 styled outfits for my next haul. And as you can tell by this haul, I didn't really have any styled outfits. I just pulled a bunch of stuff from my closet and said, here's the haul. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed, and come back next time to my channel at the Illy Babe to see what I have coming up next for you guys. Love you guys. XOXOXO at the Illy Babe.